We have a fish, folks. Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, this thing is gorgeous. Holy crap. Shades of blue on this baby. It's the most beautiful bluegill I've ever seen in my life. I swallowed that fly. But it's the first fish of the day, folks. Turn off the camera for a little bit. It's kind of overheating. And then we got absolutely annihilated by this bluegill. I don't know what species this is, so if y'all could comment down below what type of species this is. That orange and that blue and a little bit of red on it. I mean, come on, look at that thing. Thing is gorgeous. Alright, we're gonna try getting that hook out, so I'll see you all in a bit.